What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a really nice Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 AMG that's getting wrapped in this really nice color called the KPMF gloss chalk white. It's more on the Nardo side, but Nardo gray is a little darker. This is more on the lighter side. It almost reminds me of the Porsche color, which I'm really in love with, and this car is going to get it. Not only is it going to get this color, but it's also going to get the full chrome delete package. So far what I have done are the side mirrors in gloss black. They were in this blue color, now they're gloss black. The window trim also is in gloss black. It was chrome. I still do have left the door handles. What else? On the front, this whole chrome piece right here, and then also these individual pieces on the grill. And maybe I'm gonna have to do something about this part because it is covered in this plastic, so I can't really get to this chrome. So we'll see, maybe just end up buying a whole new gloss black. We'll see about them, or maybe just do the ring. But so far, as far as the gloss black is concerned, you got the GLE badges, they're going to be in gloss black. He doesn't want them on. The tailpipes are going to be in gloss black, and also there was a trim right here which I did take off. That's going to be also in gloss black. It was chromish, sort of like in the front. I also did wrap this part right here in gloss black, and it kind of gives it that full Panameric vibe. And now all that's left really is wait for the badges, take off the door handles, and let's start wrapping this car piece by piece, and we'll see how it looks. It's gonna also get new rims, gloss black rims, and can't wait. So let's get to it. All right guys, got me them emblems, AMG, GLE, and also this one right here which says Turbo 4MATIC Plus, which goes on the fender. The car is complete. I finished everything, all the chrome deletes. All that's left really is to put these brand new emblems on the car, take it outside. I'm gonna show you guys it fully finished. All right, got this driver's side installed. Looks so much better. Also got the back ones, GLE, AMG, and what else? Passenger side, last one. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. So that'll be it for this car right here, all complete. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did. Obviously brand new badges I just installed. All right, so this Benz did get a full chrome delete package in gloss black by 3M2080, and also a full color change wrap by KPMF gloss chalk white. There are some areas that I know normally people will wrap in the same color they're doing the whole entire car in, but in this case I'm working on this car and I want this car to look not only nice, but I want it to pop from the sides, from the front. You also don't want to put a lot of the same color, so in this case we're working with gloss chalk white. And normally if someone else was working on this car, they'll wrap this part in the same color, gloss chalk white. I decided to do it in gloss black, and what do you guys think? Looks 100 times better, makes the sides pop a lot more, and also he's getting gloss black rims. That would just finalize everything. It'll make it look so much better. And also because I did not wrap the door handles in one color, in this case gloss chalk white, two-tone, it makes it look 100 times even more better. Now moving on to the front, what did I do here? So we did a full chrome delete, this whole bottom trim. These ones right here have been wrapped in this Evolve Racing carbon fiber, gloss racing carbon fiber, which is what I would recommend anyone to use. I actually used it on my Corvette C8 Z06. What else did I do? Each individual part on the grill has been chrome deleted, so a lot of patience, a lot of work had to be put into that. And then you're wondering, well, why isn't this part chrome deleted? Well, because the centerpiece is covered in this clear plastic, so wrapping this outer ring part in gloss black and then having this middle part exposed in chrome won't really look so good, so I just left it alone, and as well as the AMG left that alone. And lastly but not least, in the back, so we did the roof part right here. It was blue, we did it in the gloss black, and also chrome delete on the badge. Brand new badges in the back, GLE 53 AMG. There is another part right here which is kind of hard to see, but this part was in this chromish color, as well as the tips. That has been all chrome deleted, makes it look 100 times better. I don't know, overall the car just looks refreshed, you know, makes it look like a true AMG car now with that full chrome delete package and wrapped in this really nice KPMF gloss chalk white. So that will be it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys maybe got something out of this video. Maybe you guys want to do this to your cars, or if you ever found this useful, feel free to share it with somebody else. And like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.